In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a section in Microsoft Office Online PowerPoint. Whether you're organizing a presentation for work or school, knowing how to effectively manage your slides can save you a lot of time and effort. So, let's get started with a few simple steps that will have you reorganizing your presentation like a pro in no time. First, you'll want to open your web browser and search for Microsoft PowerPoint Online. Once the search results come up, click on the official Microsoft link to open PowerPoint Online. If you haven't already, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account information, so make sure you have those login details ready. If you've forgotten either, you might have to go through the password recovery process before continuing. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main PowerPoint dashboard. Here, you have two choices: either open an existing presentation or start a new one. If you're working with a specific project, go ahead and find it from your recent files. If you don't have one yet, select the option to create a new presentation. This choice will depend on what you're working on today, but for this demonstration, I'll assume you're opening an existing file. Now that your presentation is open, look at the thumbnail pane on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where all your slides are displayed in order. Locate the space between the slides where you would like to add a new section. If you're unsure where might be best, take a moment to review the content you're working with and consider how it might be logically grouped. Once you have an idea, move your cursor to the spot you've chosen, then right-click. A context menu will appear, presenting several options. From these options, select Add Section. This command might be at the top or somewhere in the middle of your menu list, so be sure to look carefully. After you hit Add Section, you'll notice a new section named Untitled Section appears in the thumbnail pane. It's important that each section is easily identifiable, so the next step is to rename this section. Simply double-click on the name Untitled Section, and you'll have the opportunity to type in a new title that reflects the contents or focus of that section. Be descriptive and concise, for example, Introduction, Main Points, or Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully added and customized a section in your PowerPoint presentation, helping your audience follow along with a clear organization. Use this feature to keep your presentation structured and professional. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tips on mastering Microsoft Office tools.